ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So this is a spoken Kannada lesson for all the learners, spoken Kannada learners, especially adults. Okay. So in the last few videos we learned about the past, present and the past continuous tenses. We learned the simple sentence and the negative form of it. I hope you have practiced for the others also, because in the video, in the class, we did only for the self. So I requested you all to work for the he, she, they and it and all those cases. So if you have not yet practiced, please practice ಮಾಡಿ, write an email or comment in the comment section itself. So here ivattu we are doing for the future tense. So as usual, first we note the verbs that we want to use it here. So the first verb is a madu, which is a mad. We already know very well now. See, watch or look is nodu. Eat is tinnu. Drink is kudi. Go is hogu. Come is baru. So baru is the one which we use in the tenses, or else it will be simple ba or banni in the general cases. Okay, so now let's start with the future tense. So future tense, it's mostly the common usage of a will. I will come, he will come, I play, cat drinks. So those cases also will come under a future tense. Okay, so let's start. Ivaga, as usual, you all know that nanu, I will do it for the self, and the remaining pronouns I request you to work on it. Okay, so first let's start. I will cook, I will book, I will order. Okay, so nan order martini. Martini is I will order. So if I want to say I won't order, I won't book, I won't cook, then it will be madalla. Sometimes colloquial versionally it also sounds like madola. Sometimes it may also sounds like a madodilla. I will not do, I will never do at all. So in those cases I can use this madodilla. But common agi I request you to use the madala. I won't do, naan madalla, naan madode illa, I will never do at all. So in those cases madode illa, madode illa, that we can use it. Okay na? So it is just instance that I am giving. Few people they use these this also for the usage of a won't. I am just giving you the references. Okay, the next one is I will watch movie tomorrow. Naan naale, naale is tomorrow. Naan naale, the has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Naan naale movie nodtini. I will watch movie tomorrow. Then if I want to say I won't, then it will be nodalla. Okay, then I will eat later. Naan ಆಮೇಲೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ is a later. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿಂತೀನಿ. I'll eat later. ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. Or ನಾನು ಈಗ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. I won't eat now. ನಾನು ಈಗ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. Now is ಈಗ. Next. ನಾನು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ. I will drink coffee. I will drink juice. Nan coffee kudiyalla. I won't drink coffee. So here observe, I am using a Y sounding. So whenever your verb is ending with the E, like a kudi, toli. Toli means a wash, washing the vessel basically. Ogi, ogi is a washing the dresses, washing the clothes. In those cases, adding ya is very important. Illa andre it won't make a proper grammatical structure. Okay, so nan kudiyalla. Next, I will go to office. ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಇಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ always remain same for he, she, they and it. Okay? Only these things will change, and the past, present, future and the past continuous tenses is already completed, and it is being uploaded in the playlist of a you can see that everything in a playlist. Basically, for every topic there is a playlist. For story reading you have a playlist, for rhymes you have a playlist, for spoken Kannada lessons you have a playlist. I request you to go and check out the playlist, and you will get the link for the playlist in the description box also. I leave the link here also for you. Please do check out and learn the tenses. Okay na, abaga it's very easy for you. I request you to try for like instead of for nanu, you can use it for Raju order ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, Raju will order, Raju won't order, Suma will cook, Suma won't cook. ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿ, ಶಿ, ದೇ, ಇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Share this video with your friends who are just started their learning in Kannada, who are interested and willing to learn Kannada language. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And thank you so much, and keep watching the space to get the timely updates. Please do subscribe to the channel also. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.